Guess who forgot to film an intro? Me. Anyways, you're gonna be seeing literally me in this same getup in my outro, but it's fine, everything's fine. I just wanted to say I am back from Europe, so I will be posting. I've been away for a couple weeks, so I will be posting now, and yeah, so hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Good morning. I just woke up and it is the 3rd. Tomorrow is 4th of July, and today Aaliyah is gonna help me cook. So we're just gonna make eggs right now and then go out. She's in sad boy hours. Here.
You don't need to eat just the sauce, you weirdo.
English. So my friend from college just flew in today, so I'm about to go meet up with her and another one of my friends.
Oh god.
So we're on our way. Shit. You guys know Eileen? No, you don't. She hasn't been in any of my vlogs. So Eileen, introduce yourself.
Hello. My head looks really fat. Oh god.
It's so fucking hot in California right now. Woo! Yeah, we're going to the good old PP. Yes.
Switch lanes, now these hoes act strange. We have
She's becoming a rapper, by the way.
SoundCloud.
Check her out. Like I said, we are headed to an appointment for her, and then I'm gonna meet up with some Boise people. We're gonna trap, you know. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we need to figure out.
You might not even be able to use the other stuff because there's music in the back.
I put music in my shit all the time now. I'm reminiscing on the times in high school when we walked to Starbucks all the time. Me and this girl.
We couldn't drive.
Yeah, because we couldn't drive, so that's actually how it went. But now we can drive. Wow! Ooh, that lighting's good.
Adventures. No, where's the elevator?
Fun fact, whenever I step in an elevator, I always think that it's gonna crash or just break down, and it's gonna be like that movie Devil, where everyone dies when the lights turn off. And the last person alive. It's so fucking good. It used to be on Netflix, but now it's not.
Where are the cameras? We've been on the first floor for quite some time now. Oh, thank God. What the fuck?
So, update, that was a very short-lived experience.
I'm trying to tell this. Maybe 2 hours.
We are really
About
just...
to eat in and out.
I'm currently in my car. I'm running errands for my mom, and then not sure what I'm gonna do. I'm really tired. My jet lag is catching up with me.
Run it, run it, run it, run it. I run, I roll.
Good morning. So I just woke up. It is the 4th of July. Happy holidays. So I'm probably just gonna go make breakfast soon and then take a shower, figure out what I'm wearing today, and figuring out what I'm doing today because I was supposed to go to a party in Newport with some friends, but now it kind of like fell through. So I'm not really sure what I want to do. Yeah, so I will see you guys when I next film.
I could have got a job at McDonald's, but I like curly fries.
I just got out of the shower. My hair, my makeup, and maybe paint. Guess we'll see, but ooh, it's festive. We're back. We just picked up some of the goods for the day and night of festivities.
I literally went from having $200 in my account 3 days ago to 7.
I have none now, so.
Clearly did not realize how much eyelash extensions cost until I was like, oh my god, I can buy a pair of shoes with them. I spent on my eyelash extensions, and then I did that.
Great. Good choices.
So then I just
Good money management.
I just really want to listen to flooded with an iced out wash. I need to take this shoe off. It's like too far for me to drive.
It's green.
She ain't used to.
So we are on our way to Newport Beach to go to a party. So that should be fun.
You're so hot. So guess what? Plan failed. So we're at a different plan. Hopefully it works out. We'll see, because our friend's not replying. So fun fact, story time. Last 4th of July.
Oh my god, tell me the story.
We were in the trunk. We had to go in a trunk because she tried to go to the gate like by herself, so it looked like less sus for us to get into this gate.
But we had already.
Oh, this is like the third time. This is like the third time. And me and Eileen literally are piled fat into this trunk. I'm like hyperventilating because I'm so hot and claustrophobic. And we ended up not even getting into the party, so that was actually fun. But now we're at a different location, so we'll keep you posted.
I'm sorry.
Don't be sorry, we're good.
Are we gonna hang out right now?
No, we
I mean,
I know Marquise.
you can't do the
yeah, he was like,
This is the first time I did it.
Just,
Yeah, why would you do
and
So I not just woke up. I've actually been up since 5 in the morning, but I didn't film anything at the party because I had a little bit too much fun. And then I woke up at 5 in the morning and then made some breakfast and some tea. Should I do like tea time with Kenzie? Talks, spilling the tea, I don't know. But so yeah, I have work later today, and then I think I'm going to a bonfire tonight. What do you want? Okay. Okay, I'm coming.
Ladies, Peyton, say hello. So there's literally a furry right there. I don't know what to do, but we're on the pier. Looking up at the fucking vlog. She thought the view was pretty, but I thought she was prettier. Jay Cooper? Jay Cooper.
Hello everybody. We're going to this bonfire, but oh shit, just admiring, you know, the beauty. The earth
in all her beauty.
Mother Earth herself. Oh shit.
Gaia.
So that was the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to be back in California and moving back to Boise, so I will have time to film more videos, and I'm hoping to get up 1 video a week. So let me know what you guys want to see in the comments below, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in the next video.